Ayan na.
Wait lang.
Nag-email na?
Wala pa.
Ayaw, dyan dapat dyan.
Long sana ako may meals at din.
Stolen. Porter.
Ginakuan ni Leslie or papakuan natin.
Room tour.
Ay, wow.
Hello po guys.
Dahil mo sa entrance.
Smile. Kasi. Taas.
Ganun kamay mo.
Parang,
Bilis, bilis!
ang tanga, tama na.
Sir, kayo sir.
Ako, bibigat na pala ako. Pa-picture ko.
Dyan post.
Gagan ka.
Okay, tira na mo play.
Sige, tara punta tayo.
Punta tayo.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Hello, we're here at Temple of Leia. How are you there, guys?
Hi guys. I'm good. Hi vlog.
Can you stop? Pwede naman idog ko. Ano ba? So we're going down. Wala ko pa isip ni, alam mo, parang ano, lutang.
Eh, magkwento ka lang. This is the
About the weather.
last tour of the day. Kasi we're going to Lavin in the Sky later. After this.
So we're here, ayan.
Look at that view. Pakita mo, bitch.
Paano ba ito yan?
Huwag mo pakita na wala mo. We're gonna eat there. Guys. So guys, change location tayo. Pipicture daw kami dito. Picture. Yan yung mga kasama ko. Say hi! Ayun guys, oh. Ayun guys, oh.
I just wanna love you forever.
Dito na kami sa ano. Dito kami sa Lobby in the Sky. Dito kami magdi-dinner.
We're loving the sky.
Vlog takeover.
Ano ba yan?
Yan. Introduce mo yung interior.
Ay, so we're here. Ate, anong tawag po sa place na to?
Loving the sky, tops po.
Ah, okay.
Tops.
Kailangan record yung kanyang damit.
Yes, ano po, yes
Outfit
po, French
niya.
po.
Oh, okay.
French,
Thank you, ate. Ah, so French. Hindi sa Italian. Ah,
Thank you po.
thank you, ate. Record po yung masa.
Okay lang.
Ayan, ang ganda ng ilaw dito, best. Vogue. Ay, maaari, dito ka pala.
Ako maganda design ng pasta. Ang pasta.
Girl. Who's that girl? Pop in the club.
So,
Merong term. Wine cellar.
So we were assigned here in a wine cellar area. Look, there's a lot of wine here, and they're here.
Show me on your bed.
So this one were stored since 1890s. So na-preserve nila itong mga wine na to. So if you will buy this one, it's kind of expensive. So this one was stored like 2016.
Wow.
What?
Magbibideo ko.
What? So how's your experience here? Especially you two.
Experience especially here in Lavi in the Sky.
Uh-huh.
Nothing much. It's just that the view is extravagant.
How about the food?
Doesn't reflect the company, the host, and the network. Why?
How's the food?
Go.
This fries, I will rate it 7 over 10.
Why 7? Let me taste it.
Try it yourself.
Okay.
Last na yung palit. Pag galing ako dito.
So,
Well, for me,
Galing
I will rate this as 6 over 10.
why is that so? Guys, nahulog.
Nahulog. Log. Well, it's too salty. And the fries, like there's a lot of flour covering it.
Okay.
But I really love the ketchup. It's like Del Monte. Freshly baked tomatoes.
Tomato.
Tomatoes. Freshly baked tomatoes, Bob.
Ano ba dapat?
Ano ba dapat?
Ano?
Guys, nag-aaway sila.
Di tayo nakapag-tiktok yung cheers.
Dito na lang.
You know that I can. Ay, si Kuya. Kuya, dito ka.
Kuya. Dito kuya. Oo nga.
Look, nahanap tayo ni Kuya. Let's
Bumili ka na ng
congratulate him.
Oo na.
God, Cory. Oh my God. Look, look.
mommy your
Oh my God. Ha? Visit ka? So we ordered this one. What's this? Salmon carbonara. So we will taste this one, no?
We will taste it.
Very little lang para... Mm. This is so good. And also the pizza, look at this one. Ubus na siya. This is what's called calzone. Ay ba, ang gitera to?
Hindi mo ni kausap ka ba na?
No. Hindi, nagsalita lang ako sa vlog. Hello, nagbablog ako.
Kamusta best?
Wala na po to.
So waiter na.
May binigay.
Pero kung gusto mo yun.
Ano yung maraming cheese?
Hindi siya na, ano, best. Diba?
Oo nga. Alam ko ba?
Johnny, Johnny, Johnny. Dapat sige
Dapat
ako.
nga.
Mag-ano din.
Ay, gagawin. Ay, ang gagawin. So we're here po at the winery area. Sige, dyan ka lang.
Okay na.
No, sit down.
Sa'yo.
Ay, shoot.
One. Bumerang ka. 1, 2, 3.
Tito Bes, ano ba?
Ayan. Fresh na.
Ano pang birthday greeting?
True. Kaya nga eh.
Ano ba? Video kami na dito.
Bakit ba? So here in Lavey in the sky, meron din sila mga gelato available. So, ayan po. So you can choose from many different flavors. Yeah. And here are the prices.
Pwede doon, no?
Pwede din.
Hey, dati mo. Ilan ni Sir na? Laban, buwan ni. Ito yan, Sir.
ready.
I would like to great happy birthday to Sir Christian.
And 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Isa pa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you po.
Sino itong iyok sir?
Go! Later!
Nag-isip ko sila. Nag-isip ko talaga.
Thank you.
Yung people.
Video ba yan?
Sawadee ka.